Hellcat Guru, and I'm back with another video, guys. So we about to add a SRT Durango to the collection, guys. And you know we're gonna go to IAA to get it, so we're not gonna pay full price, no sir. So y'all stay tuned with me, and we're gonna go ahead and check out this SRT Durango. Hopefully bring it to the channel, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, we just bid it online to this Durango. And we won the bid for $10,000 at IAA. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up from the auction and get it back to the garage for a rebuild. So it needs, here's the parts list. It needs a rear bumper, front bumper. It needs a rear tailgate as well. Probably the seat belt's gonna need to be redone. And I think that's about it. So yeah, this is gonna be a simple rebuild, guys. So if y'all interested in buying from IAA or Copart, you basically would just log in. You can go through a broker or you can pay and just be a public buyer. If you need a broker, y'all can contact me. I can help y'all out as far as if you want to get to buy better cars as far as with dealers. But let's get back to this Durango. I want to show y'all. I paid like $10,000 for it. All right, guys, this is arrival day. So yeah, it looks like the bumper is gonna need replaced. I looked inside the vehicle. Everything looks intact. Airbags all intact. The rear is gonna need the new reinforcement, tow bar, and the new bumper. This is gonna be an easy fix. All right, guys, it's time to go ahead and install the tow hitch, the rear bumper. Get the engine nice and clean. So while I had it inside, I cleaned it in the Trackhawk. Got the engines all nice and clean. Once I got the engine clean, I blacked out the badges in the front. And that was pretty much it that day, guys. I also, wiped down the Trackhawk engine as well. So that day was pretty much detailing the engine and under the hood. Because I definitely want to have that nice and clean, guys. All right, guys. So, yeah, we're about to go ahead and call this project a completion. I got everything that I needed in the vehicle. Because guess what, guys? I'm about to take this Durango on a 13-hour road trip. Yes, sir. So I'm about to drive it all the way to Buffalo, New York, maybe even to Toronto, guys. So I had to make sure everything was in order. Have a few little things to get in order in the inside, but by the time I drop this video, guys, everything will be pretty much complete.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, the Durango is finally fixed, so we're gonna go ahead and take it up to the AutoZone, take some pictures so y'all get a better look at the car. Turned out pretty good, guys. I was able to get a lot of the parts on the car already color matched, so I didn't have to go take the whole vehicle to get painted, which saved a lot of money. So y'all check it out. All right, guys, so the price breakdown on this vehicle. Like I said at first, I had $10,300 initially. Transporting came down to close to $700 because it came from Oklahoma. Ended up getting the front bumper with paint close to $600, maybe $700. The rear bumper with the tailgate was around close to $1,000, and the tailgate itself was $300. So I say I had maybe $2,000 in parts plus tires. That's another $500. So I would say I would have around 13, close to 14,000 in this car. It's initially a rebuilt car, rebuilt title, but like I say, the car initially had maybe 25 to 26,000 in value. So with the rebuilt title, I think you can still sell it for close to 22. All right, thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace.